Good day, guys. You're welcome to Browse Text on YouTube channel. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make money with your WhatsApp account. So without wasting much of your time, this is an example. There are many WhatsApp updates, like a platform that allow you to make money for connecting your WhatsApp account to the platform. So I'm going to be providing you some platforms. So there are a lot of these platforms. They get released on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. So our own um our own functions here is to fetch the one that are paying for real and release it, so you register and start making money via the WhatsApp update. So in this video, I'm going to show you in simple steps how you can make money on the platform. As you can see on my screen right here, this is my dashboard, the dashboard of one of the updates. So if I show you another one, this is another one, this is another one, this is another one, this is another one here. So we have a lot of them. So we have a lot of them. So and then you can make a lot of money on each of these updates. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you in few steps how you can connect your WhatsApp account and get to the withdrawal point and withdraw the money to your bank account. So as you can see on my screen right here, this is a platform that we've been using for like let me say going to 2 months now, and I've been able to accumulate a whooping sum of 390,000 naira on the platform. As you can see on my historical withdrawal here, if you should go to withdrawal details here, you will see my withdrawal histories. These are the withdrawal I've been able to made on this platform. So if you want to make money on these platforms, the first step, which is step 1, is to get the paying WhatsApp update. In order to be able to get those updates as they are being released, subscribe to our Telegram channel. You're going to see the link to our Telegram channel in the description section of this video. Click on the link and subscribe to our Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, we're going to be giving you the authentic WhatsApp update that are paying. As they are being released, we are going to be release them to you so that you can be able to register and start making money on those platforms. So that is step 1. Step 2 is to get a working WhatsApp account ready. So on this update requires having multiple WhatsApp accounts. You don't have to use your main WhatsApp account, the WhatsApp you are using for your daily routine, your regular chats, your family friend stuff. You don't have to touch that one. So all you have to do is to get a new SIM card. It can be new SIM card, it can be the one that you've had in your possession and you're not using them for anything. You haven't used them to register WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to register as many WhatsApp as possible. So this alternative WhatsApp that you've registered, they are the WhatsApp that you're going to be connecting to this update that we are releasing, and they're going to be able to fetch you some cash as time goes on. You are going to be provided with a breakdown on our Telegram channel, however. So that's the step 2. The step 1 is to get the link by joining our Telegram channel. The step 2 is to get your alternative WhatsApp account ready. Now the step 3 is to connect your WhatsApp account to the update. So I think I don't want to keep this video, I don't want to make it long, so I think I've been able to brief you on the purpose of WhatsApp update, how to make money on the WhatsApp update. And in our next video, I will be showing you how you can connect your WhatsApp account to the WhatsApp update and make as much money as possible from the update. So this is going to be all for now. The scope of this video is to tell you and show you how possible it is and how much you can make on the WhatsApp update. So in our next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect WhatsApp, your WhatsApp your WhatsApp account to your WhatsApp update and start making money from the platform. Thank you.